بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم.
O people, fear your Lord. Indeed, the earthquake of the day of judgment is a very severe thing.
يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد.
The day when you will see it, every suckling one will forget her infant whom she suckled, and every pregnant one will discharge her fetus, and you will see people as if they are drunk, whereas they will not be intoxicated. But the fact is this, that the punishment of Allah is very severe.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ويتبع كل شيطان مريد.
And amongst the people are some who argue concerning Allah without knowledge and follow blindly every rebellious devil.
كتب عليه أنه من تولاه فأنه يضله ويهديه إلى عذاب السعير.
The devil upon whom it has been written that whoever will befriend him, so he, the devil, will definitely mislead him and will show him the path to the punishment of hell.
يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في ريب من البعث فإنا خلقناكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم من مضغة مخلقة وغير مخلقة لنبين لكم ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج.
O people, if you doubt revival on the day of resurrection, ponder therefore upon this, that we created you from dust, then from a drop of liquid, then from a clot of blood, then from a piece of flesh formed and unformed, so that we show our signs for you. And we keep whomsoever we will in the wombs of mothers up to an appointed time, then extract you as an infant, then gave you age for this reason, that you may reach your maturity. And amongst you is the one who dies earlier, and amongst you is the one who is made to face the most hopeless, i.e., old age, that after knowing knows nothing. And you see the earth deserted. Then when we sent down water upon it, it became fresh and developed and produced beautiful pears of all types.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأنه يحيي الموتى وأنه على كل شيء قدير.
This is because only Allah is the truth, and because He will revive the dead, and because He is able to do all things.
وأن الساعة آتية لا ريب فيها وأن الله يبعث من في القبور.
And because the last day is going to come, there is no doubt in it, and because Allah will raise those who are in the graves.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
And there is the one who argues concerning Allah neither having knowledge, nor any proof, nor any clear writings.
ثاني عطفه ليضل عن سبيل الله له في الدنيا خزي ونذيقه يوم القيامة عذاب الحريق.
Having turned his neck away from the truth in order to mislead others from the way of Allah, for him is disgrace in this world, and we shall make him taste the punishment of fire on the day of resurrection.
ذلك بما قدمت يداك وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
This is the recompense of what your hands have sent ahead, and Allah does not oppress the bondsmen.
ومن الناس من يعبد الله على حرف فإن أصابه خير اطمأن به وإن أصابته فتنة انقلب على وجهه خسر الدنيا والآخرة ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
And there are some men who worship Allah on an edge. Then, when some good reached them, they are satisfied. And if some trial came to them, they turned away upon their faces, i.e., became apostates, a loss of both this world and the hereafter. Only this is clear loss.
يدعو من دون الله ما لا يضره وما لا ينفعه ذلك هو الضلال البعيد.
They worship such other than Allah, which neither harms them nor benefits them. Only this is far misguidance.
يدعو لمن ضره أقرب من نفعه لبئس المولى ولبئس العشير.
They worship such from whom more harm is expected than benefit. Indeed, what an evil master, and indeed what an evil friend.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار إن الله يفعل ما يريد.
Indeed, Allah will admit those who believed and did good deeds into gardens beneath which rivers flow. Indeed, Allah does whatever He wills.
ما كان يظن أن لن ينصره الله في الدنيا والآخرة فليمدد بسبب إلى السماء ثم ليقطع فلينظر هل يذهبن كيده ما يغيظ.
Therefore, whoever assumes that Allah will not help His Prophet Muhammad in this world and the hereafter, let him extend a rope upwards and hang himself, and then see whether this trick of his has taken away some of that for which his heart is burning.
وكذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات وأن الله يهدي من يريد.
And the matter is this, that we sent down this Quran as clear verses, and this, that Allah guides whomsoever He wills.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين والنصارى والمجوس والذين أشركوا إن القيامة إن الله على كل شيء شهيد.
Indeed, the Muslims and the Jews and the Sabians, i.e., the star worshippers and the Christians and the fire worshippers and the polytheists, Allah will indeed decide between all of them on the day of resurrection. Indeed, everything is before Allah.
ألم تر أن الله يسجد له من في السماوات ومن في الأرض والشمس والقمر والنجوم والجبال والشجر والدواب وكثير من الناس وكثير حق عليه العذاب ومن يهن الله فما له من مكرم إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Did you not see those who are in the heavens and in the earth prostrate to Allah, and the sun and the moon and the stars and the mountains and the trees and the animals and many people? And there are many upon whom punishment has been decreed. And he whom Allah causes to become disgraced, there is no one to give him honor. Indeed, Allah does whatever He wills.
هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رؤوسهم الحميم.
These are the two groups who fought concerning their Lord. So, those who disbelieved, garments of fire have been tailored for them, and boiling water will be poured over their heads.
يصهر به ما في بطونهم والجلود.
With which will melt what is in their bellies, and their skins will also be burnt.
ولهم مقامع من حديد.
And for them are rods of iron to beat them up.
كلما أرادوا أن يخرجوا منها من غم أعيدوا فيها وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
Whenever they would wish to come out thereof due to suffocation, they will be turned back to it again, and it will be commanded, taste the punishment of the fire.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
Indeed, Allah will admit those who believed and did good deeds into gardens beneath which rivers flow. Therein they will be made to wear bracelets of gold and pearls, and therein their garments is of silk.
وهدوا إلى الطيب من القول وهدوا إلى صراط الحميد.
And they were guided to the pure statement of faith, and they were shown the path of the most praiseworthy.
إن الذين كفروا ويصدون عن سبيل الله والمسجد الحرام الذي جعلناه للناس سواء العاكف فيه والباد ومن يرد فيه بإلحاد بظلم نذقه من عذاب أليم.
Indeed, those who have disbelieved and prevent others from the way of Allah and from the sacred mosque which we have appointed for all people, that its resident and visitors have the same rights therein, and whoever wrongfully intends injustice therein, we shall make him taste a painful punishment.
وإذ بوأنا لإبراهيم مكان البيت ألا تشرك بي شيئا وطهر بيتي للطائفين والقائمين والركع السجود.
And remember when we showed Ibrahim the right place of that house, i.e., the Kaaba, and commanded that do not ascribe anything as a partner to me, and keep my house clean for those who perform tawaf and those who perform i'tikaf, i.e., devotional seclusion therein, and those who bow and prostrate.
وأذن في الناس بالحج يأتوك رجالا وعلى كل ضامر يأتين من كل فج عميق.
And publicly announce regarding Hajj amongst the people. They will come to you on foot and on every skinny she-camel, coming from every far distant path.
ليشهدوا منافع لهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فكلوا منها وأطعموا البائس الفقير.
In order that they may gain their benefit and mention the name of Allah on the known days, because He has provided for them the mute animals. So eat from them yourselves and feed the distressed and the destitute.
ثم ليقضوا تفثهم وليوفوا نذورهم وليطوفوا بالبيت العتيق.
They must then remove their dirt and fulfill their pledges and perform tawaf of the free house, i.e., the Kaaba.
ذلك ومن يعظم حرمات الله فهو خير له عند ربه وأحلت لكم الأنعام إلا ما يتلى عليكم فاجتنبوا الرجس من الأوثان واجتنبوا قول الزور.
It is the order of Allah, and whosoever reveres the sacred things of Allah, so that is good for him before his Lord. And the mute animals are made lawful to you, except those whose prohibition is recited to you. Therefore, stay far away from the filth of idols and avoid false speech.
حنفاء لله غير مشركين به ومن يشرك بالله فكأنما خر من السماء فتخطفه الطير أو تهوي به الريح في مكان سحيق.
Devoting to one Allah, that do not ascribe any partner to Him, and whoever ascribes partners to Allah is as if he has fallen from the sky, that the birds snatch him or the wind throws him away to a far-off place.
ذلك ومن يعظم شعائر الله فإنها من تقوى القلوب.
The fact is this, and whosoever respects the symbols of Allah, so this is from the piety of their hearts.
لكم فيها منافع إلى أجل مسمى ثم محلها إلى البيت العتيق.
In the cattle are benefits for you up to an appointed time, and they are then to reach to the free house, i.e., the Kaaba.
ولكل أمة جعلنا منسكا ليذكروا اسم الله على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فإلهكم إله واحد فله أسلموا وبشر المخبتين.
And for every nation we have appointed a sacrifice that they should mention the name of Allah over the mute animals, which He has provided them. So remember, your God is one God. Submit therefore only in His majestic court and give glad tidings, O beloved, to those humble ones.
الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم والصابرين على ما أصابهم والمقيم الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
That when Allah is mentioned, their hearts begin to fear, and who patiently endure whatever befalls them, and those who keep Salah established, and who spend part of what we have provided to them.
والبدن جعلناها لكم من شعائر الله لكم فيها خير فاذكروا اسم الله عليها صواف فإذا وجبت جنوبها فكلوا منها وأطعموا القانع والمعتر كذلك سخرناها لكم لعلكم تشكرون.
And the large sacrificial animals, the camels and the cows, we have made them amongst the symbols of Allah for you. There is goodness for you in them. Mention therefore the name of Allah over them, whilst one of their legs is tied up and standing on 3 legs. Then, when they are down on their sides after slaughtering, eat from it yourself and feed the one who patiently awaits and the beggar. This is how we have given them in your control, that you may be grateful.
لن ينال الله لحومها ولا دماؤها ولكن يناله التقوى منكم كذلك سخرها لكم لتكبروا الله على ما هداكم وبشر المحسنين.
Neither their flesh nor their blood ever reaches Allah. Yes, your piety reaches Him. This is how we have given them, i.e., the animals in your control, that you may glorify Allah upon this, that He guides you. And O beloved, give glad tidings to the pious.
إن الله يدافع عن الذين آمنوا إن الله لا يحب كل خوان كفور.
Indeed, Allah removes the calamities of the Muslims. Indeed, Allah does not befriend any extremely treacherous, ungrateful person.
أذن للذين يقاتلون بأنهم ظلموا وإن الله على نصرهم لقدير.
Permission to fight back is granted to those Muslims against whom the disbelievers wage war, on the basis of this, that they were oppressed, and Allah is indeed definitely capable of helping them.
الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم بغير حق إلا أن يقولوا ربنا الله ولولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض لهدمت صوامع وبيع وصلوات ومساجد يذكر فيها اسم الله كثيرا ولينصرن الله من ينصره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
Those who were unjustly banished from their homes just because they said, Allah is our Lord, and had Allah not driven back some men by means of other men, the monasteries, churches, synagogues, and mosques in which the name of Allah is abundantly mentioned would definitely have been demolished. And Allah will undoubtedly definitely help the one who helps His religion. Indeed, Allah is surely all-powerful, ever-dominant.
الذين إن مكناهم في الأرض أقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأمروا بالمعروف ونهوا عن المنكر ولله عاقبة الأمور.
Those people that if we give them control in the land, they would keep Salah established and pay Zakah and command virtue and forbid evil, and only for Allah is the end of all matters.
وإن يكذبوك فقد كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح وعاد وثمود.
If these people belie you, O beloved, so the people of Nuh and the tribes of Ad and Thamud have indeed belied before them.
وقوم إبراهيم وقوم لوط
And so did the people of Ibrahim and the people of Lut.
وأصحاب مدين وكذب موسى فأمليت للكافرين ثم أخذتهم فكيف كان نكير.
And the people of Madian belied their prophet, and Musa too was belied. I henceforth gave the disbelievers respite and then seized them. So, how dreadful was my punishment.
فكأين من قرية أهلكناها وهي ظالمة فهي خاوية على عروشها وبئر معطلة وقصر مشيد.
And how many towns did we destroy, that they, its people, were transgressors? They, the towns, have now consequently fallen flat on their roofs. And how many wells are laying unusable, and how many strong places are ruined.
أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فتكون لهم قلوب يعقلون بها أو آذان يسمعون بها فإنها لا تعمى الأبصار ولكن تعمى القلوب التي في الصدور.
So, have they, the disbelievers of Makkah, not traveled in the land to learn a lesson? That they should have hearts to understand with, or ears to hear with. So it is not the eyes that are blind, but it is the hearts in the chest that are blind.
ويستعجلونك بالعذاب ولن يخلف الله وعده وإن يوما عند ربك كألف سنة مما تعدون.
And they ask you in haste for the punishment, and Allah will not make His promise untrue. And there is indeed such a day with your Lord, which is like 1,000 years of your calculation.
وكأين من قرية أمليت لها وهي ظالمة ثم أخذتها وإلي المصير.
And how many towns did we give respite, although they, i.e., its people, were oppressors? I then seized them, and only towards me is the return.
قل يا أيها الناس إنما أنا لكم نذير مبين.
Say you, O beloved, that, O people, I am a clear warner to you.
فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
So those who believed and did good deeds, for them is forgiveness and an honorable sustenance.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who strive in our verses in order to reject them with the intention of victory and defeat, they are the people of hell.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول ولا نبي إلا إذا تمنى ألقى الشيطان في أمنيته فينسخ الله ما يلقي الشيطان ثم يحكم الله آياته والله عليم حكيم.
And all the messengers or prophets whom we sent before you, it occurred with all of them at some time that whenever they recited the message, the devil thus included something from his own side in the recitation to the people. So Allah eliminates what the devil casts forth. Then Allah reinforces His verses, and Allah is all-knowing, ever-wise.
ليجعل ما يلقي الشيطان فتنة للذين في قلوبهم مرض والقاسية قلوبهم وإن الظالمين لفي شقاق بعيد.
so that he may make what the devil casts a trial for those in whose heart is a disease and those whose hearts are hardened. Indeed, the unjust are extremely quarrelsome.
وليعلم الذين أوتوا العلم أنه الحق من ربك فيؤمنوا به فتخبت له قلوبهم وإن الله لهادي الذين آمنوا إلى صراط مستقيم.
And so that those who have been given knowledge may know that it is the truth from your Lord, so they may believe in it. Their hearts may therefore submit to it, and Allah indeed enables the believers to walk the straight path.
ولا يزال الذين كفروا في مرية منه حتى تأتيهم الساعة بغتة أو يأتيهم عذاب يوم عقيم.
And the disbelievers will always remain in doubt about it, to the extent that the last day may come upon them suddenly, or may come upon them the punishment of such a day, the fruit of which may not be good for them at all.
الملك يومئذ لله يحكم بينهم فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم.
Only for Allah is the kingdom on that day. He will judge between them. So those who believed and did good deeds are in gardens of peace.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا فأولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
And those who disbelieved and belied our verses, for them is a disgraceful punishment.
والذين هاجروا في سبيل الله ثم قتلوا أو ماتوا ليرزقنهم الله رزقا حسنا وإن الله لهو خير الرازقين.
And those who left their homes and belongings in the way of Allah and were then killed or died, so Allah will definitely provide them good sustenance, and the sustenance bestowed by Allah is indeed the best.
ليدخلنهم مدخلا يرضونه وإن الله لعليم حليم.
He will certainly admit them to a place which they will like, and Allah is indeed all-knowing, most forbearing.
ذلك ومن عاقب بمثل ما عوقب به ثم بغي عليه لينصرنه الله إن الله لعفو غفور.
The fact is this: whosoever retaliates similarly to the affliction he was made to suffer, and he is then victimized again, so Allah will definitely help him. Indeed, Allah is most pardoning, ever forgiving.
ذلك بأن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وأن الله سميع بصير.
This help is because Allah has the power that He inserts the night into a part of the day and inserts the day into a part of the night, and because Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه هو الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
This is because only Allah is the truth, and what they worship other than Him is itself falsehood, and because only Allah is the High, the Great.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة إن الله لطيف خبير.
Did you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky? The earth thus became green in the morning? Indeed, Allah is pure, all aware.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن الله لهو الغني الحميد.
Only to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and only Allah is indeed the independent, the most praiseworthy.
ألم تر أن الله سخر لكم ما في الأرض والفلك تجري في البحر بأمره ويمسك السماء أن تقع على الأرض إلا بإذنه إن الله بالناس لرؤوف رحيم.
Did you not see that Allah has given in your control whatever is in the earth and the ship that moves in the sea by His command? And He has withheld the heaven that it may not fall onto the earth except by His command. Indeed, Allah is most compassionate, most merciful upon the people.
وهو الذي أحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم إن الإنسان لكفور.
And it is He who gave you life, then will cause you to die, then will revive you. Indeed, mankind is very ungrateful.
لكل أمة جعلنا منسكا هم ناسكوه فلا ينازعنك في الأمر وادع إلى ربك إنك لعلى هدى مستقيم.
For each nation we have made rules of worship for them to follow. So never should they quarrel with you in this matter, and call them towards your Lord. Indeed, you are on the straight path.
وإن جادلوك فقل الله أعلم بما تعملون.
And if they quarrel with you, so say, Allah knows well your evil doings.
الله يحكم بينكم يوم القيامة فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Allah will judge between you on the day of resurrection concerning what you are disputing.
ألم تعلم أن الله يعلم ما في السماء والأرض إن ذلك في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Did you not realize that Allah knows whatever is in the heavens and in the earth? Indeed, all this is in a book, i.e., the preserved tablet. Indeed, this is easy for Allah.
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لم ينزل به سلطانا وما ليس لهم به علم وما للظالمين من نصير.
And they worship such instead of Allah regarding whom He has not sent down any proof, and regarding whom they themselves do not have any knowledge, and there is no helper for the unjust.
وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات تعرف في وجوه الذين كفروا المنكر يكادون يسطون بالذين يتلون عليهم آياتنا قل أفأنبئكم بشر من ذلكم النار وعدها الله الذين كفروا وبئس المصير.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, you will henceforth see effects of dislike and denial on the faces of the disbelievers. It is close that they may attack those who recite our verses to them. Say you, O beloved, shall I tell you what is worse than your current state? That is the fire. Allah has promised it to the disbelievers, and what a wretched place of return.
يا أيها الناس ضرب مثل فاستمعوا له إن الذين تدعون من دون الله لن يخلقوا ذبابا ولو اجتمعوا له وإن يسلبهم الذباب شيئا لا يستنقذوه منه ضعف الطالب والمطلوب.
O people, an example is related. Listen to it attentively. Those whom you worship other than Allah will never be able to even create a fly, even if they all come together for it. And if a fly snatches away something from them, they cannot even recover that from it. How weak is the seeker and the sought.
ما قدر الله حق قدره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
They did not value Allah as He should be valued. Indeed, Allah is almighty, dominant.
الله يصطفي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah chooses the messengers from the angels and from men. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and towards Allah is the return of all matters.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اركعوا واسجدوا واعبدوا ربكم وافعلوا الخير لعلكم تفلحون.
O believers, bow and prostrate and worship your Lord, and do good deeds in the hope that you may be relieved.
وجاهدوا في الله حق جهاده هو اجتباكم وما جعل عليكم في الدين من حرج ملة أبيكم إبراهيم هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا ليكون الرسول شهيدا عليكم وتكونوا شهداء على الناس فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واعتصموا بالله هو مولاكم فنعم المولى ونعم النصير.
And strive in the way of Allah as it should be striven for. He has chosen you and has not kept any hardship upon you in the religion of your father Ibrahim. Allah has named you Muslims in the previous books and in this Quran, so that the messenger be your guardian and witness, and you be witness upon the other people. Therefore, keep salah established and give zakah and hold firm onto the rope of Allah. He is your master, so what an excellent master and what an excellent helper.
صدق الله العظيم.